Imagine living with a heart made entirely of titanium, no heartbeat, no pulse, just cutting-edge technology keeping you alive. Sounds like science fiction. Well, an Australian man has just survived 100 days with a BiVACOR Total Artificial Heart before receiving a donor transplant, making medical history. Today, we'll dive into this groundbreaking breakthrough, how it works, and what it means for the future of heart transplants. Let's get started. Welcome to Daily Life, where we bring you the latest innovations and incredible stories from around the world. If you love learning about science, technology, and medical advancements, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. In November 2024, a man in his 40s was suffering from severe heart failure, and a transplant was urgently needed. With no donor heart available, doctors at St. Vincent's Hospital in Sydney performed a historic procedure implanting the BiVACOR Total Artificial Heart (TH), a titanium device that fully replaced his heart. This wasn't just any surgery. This was the first time in history that a patient with a fully artificial heart was discharged from the hospital. 100 days later, in March 2025, he finally received a donor heart transplant, marking a major milestone in medical history. The best part, he is recovering well, showing the huge potential of this breakthrough for thousands of patients waiting for transplants. The BiVACOR TH is the first fully implantable rotary blood pump designed to replace a failing human heart. It was created by Dr. Daniel Timms, an Australian bioengineer who was inspired to develop the device after his father died from heart disease. Unlike traditional artificial hearts, the BiVACOR uses magnetic levitation technology to mimic natural blood flow. It has only one moving part, a magnetically levitated rotor, reducing mechanical wear and failure risks. It is smaller, lighter, and more durable than previous artificial heart designs. The 6-hour surgery was led by Dr. Paul Jansch, a renowned cardiothoracic and transplant surgeon. Before this case, the longest survival with a BiVACOR heart in U.S. trials was only 27 days. This patient shattered that record, surviving over 3 months. Heart failure is a massive global problem. Over 23 million people worldwide suffer from it. But there's a huge shortage of donor hearts. Only about 6,000 transplants are performed each year. In the United States, nearly 7 million adults live with heart failure, yet only 4,500 heart transplants were performed in 2023. This means thousands of patients die each year waiting for a donor heart. The BiVACOR artificial heart could be a game changer, helping patients survive until a donor heart becomes available. Professor Chris Hayward from the Victor Chong Cardiac Research Institute said, "This is a game changer. Within the next decade, artificial hearts could become a real alternative for people who can't get a transplant in time." The Australian government has already invested $50 million into the Artificial Heart Frontiers program, testing 3 different devices to combat heart failure. Right now, the BiVACOR heart is designed as a bridge to transplant, keeping patients alive until a donor heart is found. But some experts believe that one day, artificial hearts could replace transplants entirely, becoming a permanent solution for patients with severe heart disease. Researchers are working to make artificial hearts as effective or even better than human transplants. This medical breakthrough is just the beginning. With advancements in artificial hearts, we could soon live in a world where patients no longer have to wait for transplants. They could simply receive a permanent artificial heart instead. What do you think? Could artificial hearts one day replace human hearts entirely? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video interesting, hit the like button and subscribe to Daily Life for more incredible science and technology updates. See you in the next one.